Sinong hindi nabusog? Me, you? Also you? Why? Ikaw, nabusog ka? Oh, very good. O, palakpakan niya yung nabusog. Ay, very good on you. Nabusog po. Ay, opo. Listen. Turuan sila, ha? When you ask them, me too, nabusog kayo. Me. May sabihin nyo, kayo yun. Okay. So, pag sinabi ko, zip your mouth. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, yan. 1, 2, 3, down. Ayan. Oh, ready? Pag tinawag ang pangalan nyo, please come forward. Please come to the lead. May I borrow one chair? Talaga naman. Sir, ayoko niyan. Tutumbalik ako dyan. Oh. Maputi ba si Mami? Daddy. Nandito ang Mami at Daddy mo. Nandito po. Ay, wala ayun!
Nagdi-video po.
Oo. Ano bang ginawa? Pagkapo puti. Because according to them, they are the most disciplined children. O, paano ka kami, friend? Hawakan nyo medyo mabigat, ha? O, sige, o, careful.
Thank you. Say thank
Oo,
you.
relax.
Thank you.
Okay, tayo na. Sa susunod, kailangan. Sino pang mabait?